Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to Dusty BC's Daily Crypto News. And today, I don't want to take too much of your time. All I want to tell you guys about is what I think happened to the markets overnight, why everything is down 10%, and what's going to happen from here. So first of all, some people might wonder, are my trades still open? What am I doing? Yes guys, my long positions over on Bybit are actually still open, and I'm not really planning to close them anytime soon. This is because the reason I think that the markets changed right now are because of some statements made to the public, some involving China, but mostly involving other big influencers, but most importantly, these bigger Twitter type of guys and CEOs who have been extremely negative on crypto, plus some regulatory negativity all at the same time. So let me quickly sum it up for you. We first of all got a US SEC rejection on a Bitcoin spot ETF. Then a little bit before that, we had some news that one of the biggest real estate companies in China might be default, which was connected to Tether, which could crash the markets. Now, China a little bit later came out with some new information. China has also ramped up its clampdown on Bitcoin mining, which helped cause the last crash earlier this year. We knew that. Now, China's National Development and Reform Commission said on Tuesday that it would consider punitive electricity prices for some crypto mines in the next stage of its crackdown. And so a lot of people over on Twitter are saying, did China just ban crypto again because of some other statements that China has been making revolving around crypto assets and everything like that? So people are a bit fearful of it. Now, more importantly, guys, that's not really one thing we can sum up, as these are all a CFO of Twitter saying some negative stuff about crypto, Matthew Dibb, the CEO and founder of Stack Fund, saying some negative about crypto, and some people, of course, saying we are skeptical and whatnot. I think more importantly is right now this fear of the bull run being over. The reason I keep sharing this over on my channel, the fact that it's not over, is because whatever we usually see, and with usually I mean every single time, is what we see is a gradual line of fiat into Bitcoin, from Bitcoin into some smaller coins, which are, for example, Ethereum, an XRP, a Solana, an ADA, then moving over into the, for example, more like the I'm going to say the more solid project, but then let's say 200 place in cap. So not even an Algorand, right? A little bit further down the line. And what you then see is people get so ecstatic to think they can never lose money, and they invest in every sort of fun coin along the road. Now, even though a lot of coins like Floki, Inu, and a lot of, meme coins are doing well, which is a typical sign of a bull market, they haven't done exceptionally well just quite yet, where the entire internet and the entire public are basically involved with it. And trust me when I say that every single bull run, or major bull run center of it, is a time where meme coins and coins that actually have no real value whatsoever go completely nuts. And the fact right now that a lot of these meme coins, Joe coins, have not just really fallen off by like minus 40, minus 30% means that the bigger guys still have a lot of faith in this turning around. And then again, guys, right now, every single thing is still pointing towards the upwards direction. And there's not even many people, I think, that actually know what the major reason was. It is most likely just some people sold on some anticipation of maybe the infrastructure bill, which could also be a very popular reason for this, that the infrastructure bill might make DeFi obsolete in the US and might, put up a couple of negative things over in there, that some people sold because of it, and because some people sell and others get liquidated on their long positions, that more people sell and more people sell and so forth and so on. Then again, guys, you should also remember that even if November closes off in the negative, that's not actually a bad thing. However, I believe for right now, if you look at the entire month here, that over the entire month of November, we are still positive. At least I'm not 100% sure on that, but I do believe it, following some logical principles here, that if we look at October going up, okay, but not too amazing, it could be. Let's quickly check this out, guys. So the 1st of November, let's see where we were at. The 1st of November, we were for Bitcoin at about 61 to 62, or let's say 60 to $62,000. Right now, we are exactly back at that point. So literally over the entire month, nothing has happened just quite yet. And so I guess I can't say we're too positive, but it could literally be that it's going to be a 0 month or a -4 or a +4, +5, or even a plus 0.67 or plus 0.22. And it really wouldn't be that bad for the overall performance, as we've had here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 month period of just gains, 3 months of correction, 2 months, 1 negative, 1 month. You guys see what I'm trying to say? In a big bull market like right here, you can have some down days, you can have some down months, and the bull market can definitely continue on forward afterwards. it doesn't really say too much. But right now, guys, I'm still extremely certain that this crypto is gonna go to the moon. By the way, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more crypto updates and for a very interesting update coming out in a couple of, I think in about an hour or so, I'm gonna go live because one of our tokens that we hope is gonna do a 100x is about to launch in 1 hour. This is the previous coin which we bought into. It went times 450. The next coin here from the same sort of founders, basically, I really hope it's going to do crazy as well. And so in an hour or so, we're going to be live streaming that. So make sure you just check out the channel, press that subscribe button. Right now, we're at 135,000 subs. And if you're wondering what the coin name is, it is called Valhalla. We made a video on it right here, how to get into it. But it's launching right now. It's launching today in about 2.5 hours from now. It's going to be interesting, but I'll start streaming in about an hour and a half, I think. So once more, conclusion, market most likely went down because of other people's fear. There's not one critical line except for the infrastructure bill that's pulling through. Some people are calling out for more crackdowns over in China for the miners. I pressed that button. I'm not sure what that's going to do. All right. Not exactly sure what that is, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. See you guys again in another crypto video later today.